Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Which of the following statements is true regarding the androgen insensitivity syndrome? In androgen insensitivity syndrome, you will see there will be absent vagina, karyotype is XY, not XX, karyotype is XY. Then breast development is normal in androgen insensitivity syndrome. Then
Pubic hair are absent in androgen insensitivity syndrome.
regarding androgen insensitivity syndrome, which is true? Scanty pubic hair will be present, uterus is absent, and breast development is adequate in a patient with androgen insensitivity syndrome. Then, all are seen in testicular feminizing syndromes except testicular feminizing syndrome, it is 46XY. True. Primary amenorrhea, it is short stature will not be there, vagina may be present, that too blind it may be. Okay, that is underdeveloped vagina will be there. Then a girl patient presents with primary amenorrhea, grade 5 thelarche and grade 2 pubarche, no axillary hair. The likely diagnosis is thelarche, the breast development is almost normal, but if you see the pubic hair and the axillary hair are less, and the patient has primary amenorrhea. So it is a case of testicular feminizing syndrome. Then
thank you and thank you for watching.